My name is Kellen. Welcome to the course. We're gonna take a look at sufficient condition for fuzzy set, or we call fsQCA. First, it is worth mention what the logic of sufficiency is. A condition X is sufficient for the outcome Y if whenever it is present across cases, the outcome Y is also present in these cases. And for fuzzy set, each case fuzzy set membership score in the condition X must be equal to or smaller than its fuzzy set membership score in the outcome Y. The sufficiency relation can be expressed as the condition X, the arrow left to right, and the Y. We can read the statement as if X then Y, or X implies Y, or X is a subset of Y. Usually, when we analyze the sufficiency, we are analyzing the subset relation. It is important to note cases with not X are logically relevant for the statement of sufficiency of X because set relations are asymmetric. Alternately said, if X is sufficient for Y, we cannot automatically conclude that not X implies not Y. The fuzzy set subset relation can be clearly visualized in an XY plot. The axis displays the fuzzy set membership scores of cases in the set of condition X and the outcome Y. We can see the diagonal line runs from the bottom left 0, 0 corner to the top right 1, 1 corner, which describes cases where membership in the condition X and the outcome Y are similar. The diagonal line divides the plot into two parts. The area above the diagonal contains cases with a membership in the condition X smaller than in Y. And the area below the diagonal line contains cases with a membership in X larger than in Y. X is a sufficient condition for Y, or we can say X is a subset of Y if all cases fall above or onto the main diagonal. We have an example in which we are interested in the conditions for high-performance firms. In particular, we expect the three condition sets. A stands for firms investing in AI. D stands for firms investing in data. And B stands for firms investing in people are sufficient for the outcome HB, high-performance firms. Each row is the observation from one specific firm, and each column has fuzzy set values between 0 and 1. The first examination we may start by asking which individual conditions A, D, B are sufficient for the outcome. Now we start with the first condition A, firms investing in AI. Based on the logic of sufficiency, only those cases with the membership in the condition is equal to or smaller than its membership in Y are allowed. We see the condition A has case number 3 that has its membership score in the condition is larger than its membership score in the outcome. 1.0 is larger than 0.5. And this goes again the claim of sufficiency for fuzzy set. It is enough by itself to show that the condition A, investing a lot in AI, is not a sufficient condition for high-performance firms, regardless of what happens in other cases. We can do the same examination for another condition, let's say condition D. And it is interesting that the condition D, investing in data, the fuzzy value of D is always less than or equal to the fuzzy value for the outcome from case number 1 to case number 5. Hence, we conclude that the result of the analysis of sufficient condition is D implies HB. We can also graphically display our finding that investing in data, condition D, is a sufficient condition for the outcome high performance using XY plot. As we can see, all cases are above or on the main diagonal, that is in line with the logic of sufficiency. As the final note, we need to mention again the logic of sufficiency for fuzzy set. Whenever the condition is present, the outcome is also present, and that condition is sufficient for the outcome. Each case membership in the condition must be equal to or smaller than its membership in the outcome. And in the representation form XY plot, all cases should fall above or onto the main diagonal. I hope you've enjoyed the course. There are more relevant topics in this course. Let's learn more and see how you can apply the set theoretic methods such as QCA in your profession and social science research. Thank you.